Khaman Dhokla. Ingredients: gram flour besan 2 cups, fruit salt 5 grams, ginger chili paste adrak mirch ka paste 2 teaspoons, sugar chini 2 teaspoons, turmeric haldi 2 teaspoons, citric acid nimbu fool 3/4 teaspoon, salt as required. For the tempering: oil, tel as required, coriander, dhania patti 2 tablespoons, curry leaves, curry patte 10 to 12, grated coconut 3 tablespoons, dry red chili, sukhi lal mirch 2, mustard seeds, rye 1 teaspoon, asafoetida hing 1 teaspoon. For drizzling over the dhokla: water, pani 2 tablespoons, sugar, chini 1 tablespoon, lemon juice, nimbu ka ras 1 tablespoon. Heat some water in a pan. The water should not boil. We need lukewarm water to mix the batter. Take 2 cups gram flour in a large bowl. Add 3/4 teaspoons citric acid, 2 teaspoons sugar, add the lukewarm water in parts and whisk to form a smooth batter. Make sure there are no lumps and then let the batter rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add salt, 2 teaspoons turmeric, ginger green chili paste, oil, whisk well. Boil some water in a large vessel. Place a stand in the water. The water should only submerge the stand. Cover it with a lid and bring it to a boil. Grease the tin with oil and place it on the stand. Just before putting the batter in the tin, add the fruit salt. Whisk well and immediately pour the batter in the tin. After adding the fruit salt, the batter will rise. Cover with a lid and let it cook on high flame for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the tin and set it aside to cool down completely. Demold the dhokla with the help of a knife. Overturn it on a plate and set aside. To prepare the sugar syrup, add 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice to 2 tablespoons water. Stir till the sugar dissolves. Spread the sugar syrup on the dhokla and set it aside. For the tempering, heat oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and let them crackle. 1 teaspoon asafoetida, 10 to 12 curry leaves, 2 dry red chilies. Fry till the curry leaves become crisp. Now add the 3 tablespoons freshly grated coconut and 2 tablespoons chopped coriander. Cook for a while. Add half cup water and let it simmer. Switch off the flame and put the mixture on the dokla. Cut the dokla in small square pieces and serve.